Okay, just a quick little video here. This is the little cubby hole 28A where the drawers are. What I did was I put an outlet here. It's like made for outdoors, but I put it there because I didn't have to drill. I just drill a round hole and have to cut a rectangle in that hole. And I ran the wire out the back and down below. So where the shore power comes in, over there. Shore power comes in there, generators over there. So it comes in there, and I'll show you outside real quick. My theory is, when I'm plugged in, I can plug a heater in there and face into the back, electric heater, and then I can plug another heater here to have maybe on the counter or whatever else I can plug in, and it'll be totally different than my 30 amp power. So that was the theory, and I'll show you real quick where it is outside. Here. Okay, and now you have the shore power, and now we have that. So let's plug a regular extension cord in there. That's a male, and just plug a standard extension cord, and then go to the shore power and plug it into 15 amp, and plug the 30 amp into the 30 amp. So that's my little video for today. Got my bike on top of the rack. Going on a trip tomorrow, just a 4-day local, and I'll try to come up with some more of